Llawer i wneud, ffrindiau newydd i wneud, dod i cylch, lle mae o'n hapus iawn.
Man na tywod.
Wad a dŵr blocs mawr i wneud tŵr, dod i cylch, lle mae o'n hapus iawn. Mor diolchgar o'r cael y grant y lottery. Mae di helpu llawer yn cylch ni, yn enwedig gan bod y cylch yn un newydd. Dwi'n na ddim plant i cychwyn hefo, roedd na wythnosau pan o'n i'n cael jyst un bachgen. Gan bod ni wedi cael y grant, da ni wedi medru defnyddio'r pres ar gyfer hysbysebu, cael adnoddau newydd sydd yn mynd i helpu hefo'r sgiliau ddysgu i'r plant ac yn helpu'r iaith Cymraeg, a mae wedi dod ar iaith Cymraeg i Bai Cymru sydd yn gwych. So diolch yn fawr.
Oh, it's had a very, very positive effect. I always wanted to send her to a kilt, but when I had her, the facility wasn't available. However, as she's obviously turned 2, the facility has been made available, and I would recommend it to anybody. I don't speak Welsh. I am learning Welsh, but the effect it has on all of us has been very, very positive. I'm able to speak to her in Welsh, or the Welsh that I have, and she can respond, or she can point and tell me what it is, and it's all coming on as well. And it's also had a good effect on my elder boy as well, who relishes learning and absolutely loves learning anything new. So we all sort of have a bit of a sit down and have a chat together. He asks me things in Welsh. I try and respond as best I can, but I cannot recommend it enough to everybody. Non-Welsh speakers, Welsh speakers, I think it's an absolutely fantastic service to have. And I think that, sort of for the future of Welsh language, and to have our kiddies having that bilingual, the choice to be bilingual is absolutely amazing.